What's up, everybody? This is Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another video. Alright, so I just got this in today. As you can see there, that is a Pitaka box. Alright, and this is a new case for my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Alright, now I've been using this clear case for about the length of the time that I've had it, and I like this case. Right, and this case just saved my phone over the weekend. I had the phone in my pocket and I got in my car and the phone slipped out. Bam! Went out of my pocket and hit the ground. Alright, and there is a little scuff. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's right here on the corner of the device. There's a scuff, and that's where the phone landed. It landed boom right there on that side. I thought there was another one. Nope, I think it was just right there. It hit hard too. Actually, yeah, on both sides. It hit on that corner and that corner. Y'all might not be able to see that, but yeah, it is a scuff right there. But beyond that scuff, no damage. No damage at all on the device. Everything works perfectly fine as it's supposed to. Alright, it looks fine. No damage. Alright, but let's get into this Pitaka case. I've heard nothing but good from anybody who has used the Pitaka cases. Everyone says this is their favorite one. I can't remember if I've ever used one. I might have used one before on a S25 or something, or S24, I'm sorry. But here it is, Pitaka. Alright, slide this box out the way, and there is your Pitaka case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra Slim case. Alright, it says woven from aramid fiber, aerospace grade material, MagSafe compatible, slim and light, weight 24.7 grams, and the thickness is 1.2 millimeters. All right, and I got it in this blue color. I want to say I saw like Flossie do a video on this one, and the color blending with the color that's on this case and the color of the phone looked pretty sweet. So I said, let me give it a shot, man. Let me give it a shot. I really didn't want to hide the blue that is on this device, because look at that, man. That is a beautiful blue. But I can't ignore the fact that a lot of people say the Pitakas are the best cases. So let's see what we can get into, man. As you can see on the back, it says the Moonrise, and it shows the aramid fiber. Alright, high dimensional stability, temperature cycling test, scratch resistance, discoloration resistant, stain resistant, long lifetime UV exposure reliability. Alright, so let's see, how do I get into it? I think you open from here. Okay, open from there, and then what else is in here? What else have we got in here? Here is, looks like information how to properly install it. Okay, put that to the side, and then what is this right here? Oh, nothing. Okay, that's just the tab there. So put that to the side, put the instructions to the side, and here is the case itself. Put that over there. Here it is, nice and thin. And then you can see the MagSafe on the back there, and I am going to test that out. As you can see, I have my OnePlus magnetic power bank, and then we put that on. Oh, it looks like it's blocking it. It looks like it's oh, well, it's on, but how good is it on? Oh, came right off. That's not good. See, the Poetic case The poloided case cuts it out right here so that it sits right like that and locks into place. I don't know. I don't know, Pitaka. But we'll see, man. Let's take this clear case off. I think I gotta open it up to take it off. It does look like a nice case, man. I will say that much. It does look like a nice case. Alright. And then boom. And every time I say and then boom, like it's over, it's not over, and I'm struggling. Struggle, gang. Alright. Clear case off. Let's get a little wipe down on the back of the device. Man, that is a beautiful, beautiful blue. I hate that I'm about to cover that up, but as you can see, there is the tape there, so that the sticky tape, so that it will stay in place better. And it looks like there's only the one. So let me go ahead and peel that off. Put that over there. And we're gonna go ahead and put this on the back. Boom. And we slide it in. And there it is. There it is on the device. And man, I gotta say, I don't like that I'm covering up the blue on the back, but you can still see it going around the side and through the camera cutout there. And not to mention, you can still see it on the hinge, and that does feel a little bit better grip wise on the back. It does feel a little bit more grippier. Let's see, open it up. Boom, I can open it up a little bit easier. I really just did not, I just really did not want to cover up the color, that beautiful blue cover, but man, this is a very nice case. I'm not gonna lie to you all about it. That is a nice case, man. I wanted to be like, nah, I don't like it. I don't like it. Clear case only. I don't like it. But man, that is a nice case, man. Here is the bottom. And you can see your cutouts, your microphone cutout there, your cutout for your charging port. Microphones on the top. And go a little further away so you can see the microphones there on the top, the ports. Boom, boom. And of course, your camera lens, boom, and for the light. Then on the side, it is cut out so you can hit your power button and your volume rocker. Perfect. Everything is perfect. So far, I think the only flaw is right there. It's right there, man. Let's see, is it even charging? It is charging. It is charging. But, I mean, it ain't staying on. Let me see if there's a way to trick it. Is there any? Oh, okay. Look at that. Look. That is at an angle though, man. Look at that. Is that charging? Let me turn that back on. Okay, look. The light's at the bottom. So it's charging. It's actually charging the device like that. But it's at an angle, man. They should have just cut that little bottom part off. Cut the lip off the bottom right here. And then your chargers can all, I mean, but that's not going nowhere. That's not going anywhere. I'm shaking that with a little bit of strength. That's not going anywhere. So yeah, I mean, it works, but it's not perfect. They should have cut a lip off the bottom of the camera ring there, and then all of the MagSafe cases, or you know, your chargers or anything, your wireless chargers would sit perfectly. But as it stands, that's not moving. So I guess there is a counter to it. It does work. It does work. But yeah, man. I wanted to not like it. Does that make sense? Like, I spent my money on it and I wanted to not like it. But that is a nice case, man. That is nice. And the added benefit, you know, as much as I like this one, it is a fingerprint magnet. I'm sure you all can see. Look at that. It is a fingerprint magnet, and there is no MagSafe on this. They do have the one that is the circle on here, and you know, you can put your MagSafe chargers or whatever, but this one does not have that. I didn't think about that when I purchased it, or else I would have just bought the other one. But I just wanted the color, man. I needed something at the moment to protect my device, and I wanted to be able to see the color. But this isn't bad, man. This isn't bad. And it's still that blue. It's still the blue, man. It almost blends. It almost blends perfectly, man. What do you guys think? Is that a nice shade of blue? Is that dope? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But I wanted to bring you this quick video. It does work with your MagSafe chargers. It is hanging in there. That's not coming off. I'm not holding that. Look, my finger is not on that. I'm not holding it. It is on there. So if you do have the power banks or anything like that, it will work. It's just at an awkward angle. Alright? But anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.